1. When you travel through the land, it is permissible for you to shorten the prayer, especially if you fear an attack by the disbelievers. Indeed, the disbelievers are your sworn enemies. When you, O Prophet, are campaigning with them and you lead them in prayer, let one group of them pray with you while armed. When they prostrate themselves, let the other group stand guard behind them. Then the group that has not yet prayed will then join you in prayer, and let them be vigilant and armed. The disbelievers would wish to see you neglect your weapons and belongings, so they could launch a sweeping assault on you. But there is no blame if you lay aside your weapons when overcome by heavy rain or illness, but take precaution. Indeed, Allah has prepared a humiliating punishment for the disbelievers. 103. When the prayers are over, remember Allah. Whether you are standing, sitting, or lying down, but when you are secure, establish regular prayers. Indeed, performing prayers is the duty on the believers at the appointed times. 104. Do not falter in pursuit of the enemy if you are suffering. They too are suffering, but you can hope to receive from Allah what they can never hope for, and Allah is all-knowing, all-wise. 105. Indeed, we have sent down the book to you, O Prophet, in truth, to judge between people by means of what Allah has shown you. So do not be an advocate for the deceitful. 106. And seek Allah's forgiveness. Indeed, Allah is all forgiving, most merciful. 107. Do not advocate for those who wrong themselves. Surely, Allah does not like those who are deceitful, sinful. They try to hide their deception from people, but they can never hide it from Allah, in whose presence they plot by night what is displeasing to Him, and Allah is fully aware of what they do. 109. Here you believers are advocating for them in this life, but who will dare to advocate them before Allah on the day of judgment? Or who would come to their defense? 110. Whoever commits evil or wrongs themselves, then seek Allah's forgiveness, will certainly find Allah all forgiving, all merciful. 111. And whoever commits a sin, it is only to their own loss. Allah is all-knowing, all-wise. 112. And whoever commits an evil or sinful deed, then blames it on an innocent person, they will definitely bear the guilt of slander and violent sin. 113. Had it not been for Allah's grace and mercy, a group of them would have sought to deceive you, O Prophet. Yet they would deceive none but themselves, nor can they harm you in the least. Allah has revealed to you the book and the wisdom and taught you what you never knew. Great indeed is Allah's favor upon you. 114. There is no good in most of their secret talks except those encouraging charity, kindness, or reconciliation between people. And whoever does this seeking Allah's pleasure, we will grant them a great reward. 115. And whoever defies the messenger after guidance has become clear to them and follows a path other than that of the believers, we will let them pursue what they have chosen, then burn them in hell. What an evil end. 116. Surely Allah does not forgive associating others with Him in worship, but forgiveness anything else of whoever He wills. Indeed, whoever associates others with Allah has clearly gone far astray. 117. Instead of Allah, they only invoke female gods, and they actually invoke none but a rebellious Satan. 118. Cursed by Allah, who said, I will surely take hold of a certain number of your servants. 119. I will certainly mislead them and delude them with empty hopes. Also, I will order them, and they will slit the ears of cattle and alter Allah's creation. And whoever takes Satan as a guardian instead of Allah has certainly suffered a tremendous loss. 120. Satan only makes them false promises and deludes them with empty hopes. Truly, Satan promises them nothing but delusion. 121. It is they who will have hell as their home, and they will find no escape from it. 122. And those who believe and do good, we will soon admit them to the gardens under which rivers flow, to stay there for ever and ever. Allah's promise is always true, and those word is more truthful than, and whose word is more truthful than Allah's. 123. Divine grace is neither by your wishes nor those of the people of the book. Whoever commits evil will be rewarded accordingly, and they will find no protector or helper besides Allah. 124. And those who do good, whether male or female, and have faith will enter paradise and will never be wronged, as much as they speak on a dead stone. 125. And who is better in faith than those who fully submit themselves to Allah, do good, and follow the way of Abraham the upright? And Allah chose Abraham as a close friend.